YouTube, do not mind my, I didn't mean to do that, but don't mind my mascara. This is me waking up early, and I didn't take my mascara off last night and I was rubbing my eyes, so here we are. But today is going to be another productive day. I actually have to clean my beauty room because it's been in shambles. I'm actually a little embarrassed to show you guys, but only God could judge me, okay? But yeah, I need to clean my beauty room. I need to record a makeup video, and I need to get dressed and leave the house by 1, because we're gonna view apartments today. We're gonna view more apartments today, and it's gonna be by the waterfront area. So I'm preparing it for it to be freezing, literally. Like, I need to dress warm. But yeah, and then later today I need to go to the gym. Like, I'm really trying to pick it up with being consistent. I just need to be consistent with everything in my life. I feel like the only thing that I can say I'm really consistent is running my salon, but there's more to life than doing hair, you know. So I'm heading on my way. Well, I'm heading out to go to the car dealership, and I'm just wearing this coat that I haven't worn since like 2014, 2015, and I have a Sheen sweater underneath, and then just some gold earrings, but it's very casual. So let's head out because I'm about to be late. Our appointment was for 1:30 and we got to go. Excuse the lighting. I know it's probably dark because the sun is literally glaring this way, but I'm gonna switch to my phone to vlog because I'm pretty sure like walking around with the camera is just not ideal. But
in 3/4 of a mile, take a slight right turn onto
we're almost there, and I'll see you guys when we get inside. I'm gonna drive my dream car, but the city that we're in, the street is just like chaotic, and I don't got time for that.
Oh, this is amazing.
This is our dream car. This is my dream car. Like, I love everything Mercedes. I just gotta figure out what.
It's automated.
Oh.
It's a button.
I just gotta figure out what car I want exactly. So yeah, I'm liking it. Literally, like, I just feel like that gorilla. No, but I'm too tall for my actual car that I have now. Like, my hips and knees be hurting, and I wanted a big car. Huh?
How did you get up the other car? I seen your leg doing some weird shit.
No, I got a regular. Yeah. I'm not comfortable in the big body, but this one's a little better.
So it's a GLC 45.
The GLC 43,
yeah,
or something. Yeah, this one's a little better, more compact. I feel safe, you know.
This has the AMG to it though. So.
Alright guys, I'm back with an update in oily makeup. For some reason I have dry skin, but my makeup's coming up oily. Let me turn this down. So the restaurant that we wanted to go to, they have no parking, so we opted out to get African food. We're eating from the Suya Joint restaurant. It's A1 steak sauce, like A1 period. The food's mad good. So if you're ever in the Boston area and you're looking for African food, make sure you come to Suya Joint. It is bussin'. And then after Suya Joint, I want to tour this apartment. Let's see how that goes. I'm praying that it's a cute ass apartment because the location it is great. It's like in the city, so you know it's gonna be expensive, but you know, today was just a day that I felt inspired to go look at the things that I wanted for myself in the future, you know, manifesting, bringing all these blessings in so I can achieve everything that I want, I know I can get, and I know I can have. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for the food. I'm supposed to be viewing the place at 5:30, and it's 4:56. And I just want to show you guys my little freaking, what is this, background, because my goal is a high-rise apartment. Like, oh my goodness, I'm so in love with high-rise apartments, so I'm on the hunt for that. But Massachusetts is hella expensive. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm eating. I'll probably show you guys my food. I'm telling you, it's mad good. And then I'll show you guys the apartment. So I'm just gonna take my camera with me. It's a self-guided apartment, so I never did one of those before, but it should be lit. So I'll see you guys later. My makeup looks like shit. I don't know what I did wrong. Oh, I didn't use a beauty blender to blend out my concealer and powder. I think that's what's the problem. But yeah, let me stop rambling, girl, because all right, so now we're here to tour the apartment. And
Going down.
what?
H.
No, it's a what?
Was it?
TV.
It's in my phone. Hold on. All right, we're lost, clearly. Right here looks a mess.
Team B.
Oh, sorry. Okay, the hallways is cute. Super, super cute. This way. All right, so this is the first unit. I do not like showers that need shower curtains at all. And we have another mirror. Ooh, the heat's on. No, that's actually the light.
They have beds from a closet space.
Yeah. Let me just give you guys, I don't know what this is. The toilet gives me public bathroom vibes. This is cool. They have a lot of space. I should have came earlier to see how the natural light was, but the window, amazing. Look at this view. This is what I wanted. Like, look at that. Super, super cute. Let me see. Let me turn off these lights. Let's see. The kitchen is, ooh. The kitchen is given cute. The stove with the island, super, super cute. The living room is spacious. They have a lot of storage space. That's something that I actually wanted. Ooh, and they have a washer and dryer. It's kind of not updated, but yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It does. Again, nice walk-in closet or a pantry. I don't know what this would be. Then they have 2 bathrooms. The shower, another one of these. Guys, I need to wash my wig. Like, it's giving dry and it's staticky. Does this have a room? I mean, a light? No. But this view is just perfect. Like, what? This is the kitchen. They have a dishwasher, a lot of cabinets. They have a city view right here as well. Cabinet space, A1. And we're on to the next. Yeah, I think so. Hey guys, sorry, I definitely forgot to vlog, but I'm here in downtown viewing an apartment, and I actually need to be at the front desk at 1, and I have a minute to get there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like inside so you can see what I'm looking at. But I would see you guys in a bit. All right, so we're in the elevator and we're heading all the way up, I think, to the top of the floor, the 27th floor. We're at 27 right now. And they have a cute mirror. All right, so this is the door, and this is the first unit that we're touring. Oh, look it. This is definitely cute. I'm actually scared. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I'm up in the air right now.
We're at 27.
And this is a 1-bedroom, which it has a nice closet. Closet size is nice. Yeah, the view is great. It's very modern, which is amazing. What's this? Washer and dryer. And the bathroom. Oh, this is the door that I freaking wanted. Literally, I wanted a swing out door. Here we are. The bathroom is definitely not like the other place that we seen yesterday. It has 2 flushers. The bathroom kind of smells. This is nice. It has a lot of cabinet space. I'm trying to do my best with showing everything before my camera dies. The sink is deep. Has storage here. A dishwasher. Their stove is a gas stove. Their oven is cute. It's very low. I'm tall. They have, yeah, a lot of space. This is cute. So, and they have an island, which is amazing. Okay, ladies and gents, we are on apartment number 2. This is the walking, this is not a walk-in closet, but this is a closet right at the door. Now we're walking, and to the left, we have a bathroom. I told you guys before that I hated bathrooms with shower curtains, but this is the second bathroom, I'm guessing. It's still cute. Literally, it's cute. I think this light, oh, this mirror got lights, period. This is super cute. Now we're into this bedroom. It's kind of small. I think the only thing you could fit in here is a bed and maybe a small dresser, but you cannot beat this view. Like, look at it. Amazing. Especially at nighttime, it's gonna hit. And the sunlight is nice. Then we have this closet here. These closets are very spacious. Super nice, super cute. And we're heading to the kitchen area. They have stainless steel appliances. The sink, it's just like the other kitchen in the other place. The microwave, a lot more, I feel like, a lot more cabinets this way. And then we have washer and dryer and some storage. Super nice. Then this would be the living room. This is the island. Has a lot of storage as well. This would technically be the living room, which I don't know how. I just feel like the floor plan is kind of weird. But again, you cannot beat the view. Now we're in the master bedroom, or I don't know what bedroom this is. I just want to know why they have light switches, right? But then when you look up, there is no light, like at all. So that's just a waste of space. This room is kindly oddly built as well. But the closet, let me give you guys more of an outer look. And then when we're inside, it's very spacious. This is a nice walk-in closet. And then we get to the bathroom. And this is the shower, which is nice. Super cute. And that is it for the second apartment with 2 bedrooms. These doors are heavy as hell. I have no idea. We're in the bathroom to our last unit. Yeah, look at the toilet. Ew. 1.
The bedroom is big as fuck.
Is
This
it?
is the 1 bedroom, this is the 1.
Hold on. So this is the living room.
Walk-in closet is big.
This is the walk-in closet. This is the bedroom. This
I don't know where the fuck this is.
maybe like an office space. This little area right here, and then this window. The views it's kind of cool, but the window is not giving what I want it to give. It's not modern at all. They have a ceiling light, no ceiling light at all here. The living room is pretty spacious. Yeah. The window's open. You could see, guys, so we're touring our last apartment. It's a 2-bedroom. It's okay, it's all right. But we accidentally almost went into somebody else's house that actually occupied the building, so that would have been bad. The lady wrote the letter E, but it looked like an F. But yeah, it's okay. I'm actually starving, so like, I'm done touring. Oh, what's this? Oh, the closet. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This will be our last apartment of the day.